The Tata Tigor EV, the first electric vehicle EV ever tested by Global NCAP, achieved 4 stars for both adult and child occupants in the latest number safer car-friendly crash test. Tata has shown consistent safety improvements throughout its fleet range. The Tigor demonstrates that improvements are also possible with EV models, which can pose a technical challenge because of the electric powertrain system. Tata should be recognized and applauded for this commitment to improving their vehicles in response to Global NCAP's call to democratize vehicle safety. Adult occupant protection. The protection offered to the driver head was good and passenger's head was adequate. Both front passengers' neck showed good protection. Driver chest showed adequate protection and passenger chest showed good protection. Driver and passenger knees showed marginal protection as they could impact with dangerous structures behind the dashboard, supported by the transfascia tube. Driver and passenger tibias showed adequate and good protection. The body shell was rated as unstable and it was not capable of withstanding further loadings. Footwell area was rated as unstable. The car offers standard seat belt reminder (SBR) for driver and passenger. Child occupant protection. The child seat for the 3-year-old and 1.5 years old were installed rearwards facing with the adult seatbelt and were able to prevent excessive forward movement during the impact. Chest and head protection was good. Child restraint systems (CRS) marking was permanent. The recommended CRS did not show incompatibility. The vehicle offered a lap belt in the rear center position. The car does not offer ISOFIX anchorages. All of the above explain the 4-star for child occupant protection. Safety assistant. Tata Tigor, the well-liked selling hatchback from the Indian car manufacturer, now equipped with standard safety features like dual front airbags, anti-lock braking system, ABS, electronic brake distribution, EBD, corner stability control, CSC, and rear parking sensors. Additionally, also the vehicle is equipped with a seat belt and speed sensing alert system. David Ward, president of the Towards Zero Foundation, said, "It is deeply satisfying to see Tata's continuing commitment to safety as they innovate with new powertrain technologies in order to achieve wider environmental and sustainability goals." Safety and sustainability improvements are possible for all manufacturers operating in the Indian market, and Global NCAP would encourage them to follow Tata's lead. If you need a detailed explanation of Tata Tigor EV or any other Global NCAP crash test analysis, please let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you get quality knowledge from this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates.